First time payment proof share the Lucky Miner earning application. Hello viewers and subscriber, Assalamualaikum. First time application download now. Open application terms and condition website. Continue with Facebook and continue with sign up Google. I am select Google. Okay, select your Gmail account, any Gmail, and your age 24 and your gender male, and go for it and use data access permissions. Okay, I'm permission. Okay, scroll down, the Lucky Miner permission granted. Okay, welcome, let's go. 1800 coins free. First time joining, 1800 coins free. Okay, this application 100% trusted, games play and earning survey complete. Okay, I am showing a survey completing. Okay, no problem. Unlimited survey available, apps download and completing, points earning now, and earn with apps and with games. I am clicked on with apps. Okay, apps completing offer and unlimited earning points available. This application 100% trusted and with games. I'm just click now games play and earning unlimited coins. I am just click now three dot icons and your friend options. Okay, I'm just click now one friend invite 100 coins free and 25% referral commission lifetimes. Okay, watching your profile. Okay, my profile options, Gmail and my age, my gender. Okay, and I'm just click now my apps, no install apps. I am live install this app. Okay, open application and World Live application install now. Okay, I'm just waiting now. World Live app. Okay, already install. Open these applications. 57 coins earning just 1 minute and 2 number offer complete. I am live proof share application. Open, download now and install application, and I'm just playing now 1 minute. Okay, and 1 minute I'm later I'm back again now. Okay, and 9 coins added. Okay, this application 100% very easily earning application. Okay, I'm just click now payout options. Okay, PayPal available. I'm just click now PayPal option, $0.20 and $0.40 PayPal available. Only 2000 coins. Okay, and I'm just share payment proof. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I am share all new earning application and 100% trusted application. Thank you.